So before I show you the results of my Intelligender test, I want to talk to you a little bit about the test itself. With the Intelligender test, you have to use your first morning urine. If you don't use your first morning urine, you may get an inaccurate result, so it's very important to do that. Now, if you're one of those pregnant girls that are up all night, you're peeing all the time, just make sure that you've held your bladder for at least 3 hours before, and do not drink an excessive amount or you're going to dilute things and then it won't work either. So that was a big thing that I read on their website. So what this test does is it takes your first morning urine and a mix of chemicals which reacts with the combination of hormones produced by you and your baby. You can take this test as early as 10 weeks pregnant to 34 weeks. It's very easy to do. Just follow the directions. Make sure you read through them very well, and I'll show you what I did. But basically, if you get a dark green color, you're having a boy, and if you get an orange tinted color, it's a girl. They also recommend that you do not have intercourse 48 hours before performing the test because it can prove an inaccurate result. They don't recommend you use this product if you have PCOS or are using progesterone. They don't recommend that you use this product. However, if you are on progesterone, obviously I was in the beginning, you can do this test as long as you wait 10 days from the last dose. So if you're doing supplements in the first trimester like I did, that's why I wasn't able to do this test till just recently. You have to just make sure you're 10 days away from your last dose, and then you can use this test. This test was 87 to 90% accurate depending upon where it was tested. It's also been seen on the doctors. I have heard that about 50% of the boy results end up being girl, but if it's done correctly, it can be 90% accurate. Obviously, it's not going to be 100%. This is just for fun. They don't even recommend that you go and buy pink or blue based on what you've seen on their test. It's just, it's not 100% accurate. It's something to do for fun in between the time where you're waiting for your sonogram. It's still important to go get that sonogram and make sure baby's healthy, and then get that picture proof of what your baby is. So I will find out actually in I want to say like 3 weeks or so what this baby is, so I will do an updated video on that when I tell you guys what we're having and let you know if the Intelligender test is right for us. But all along I've been saying this baby is a boy, and my husband's been saying this baby is a girl. So I'll go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of the video and see what our results came back as. And if you're interested in this test, you can find these at CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid, Babies R Us. I've seen them all over the place. You can even visit the Intelligender website and buy it from them. They have a Facebook page. All of that stuff will be in the description box for you guys. Here is the Intelligender test. Obviously, inside of the test box, you get your directions. You get the syringe, and you get the pink or blue container. I'm going to go ahead and go over these directions. This is the night before I'm taking the test. I'm going to read them tonight, and then that way in the morning I can just kind of skim over it, remind myself, and then we'll go ahead and go through the process of that. And then you guys can see on the top of this box the little message they give you as soon as you open the little flap. You see this cute little message here, which I thought was really sweet. Okay, so it says 6 easy steps. First thing, collect your morning urine in a clean disposable cup. Use only first morning urine, so big thing there. Remove the sticky tab from the top of the jar, which would be that sticker there. Discard the sticker. Do not replace tab on top of the test jar. Using the syringe, provide 20 millimeters of urine into the syringe. Gently insert the urine into the exposed hole and the top of the test jar. Swirl rapidly for 10 seconds. Do not shake. Leave them lie flat. Do not disturb the test for the next 5 minutes without picking up or disturbing the test jar. Read your test at eye level at the 5-minute mark and match the color to the boy or girl chart. At 5 minutes, the test is over. Further color change is irrelevant. It is warm. Oogly doogly, here we go. Ew. Okay. Easy enough. Pick up the test kit and swirl rapidly for 10 seconds in a circular motion. Do not shake. Place the active test. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 seconds, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It says, read your, ooh, that stinks. Read your results promptly at 5 minutes. Okay. You wanna come look at this? I told you. It is green. That is obviously a boy result, you guys. I told you it was gonna come back that color. So, obviously, my gut instinct has been right according to this test anyway, so there we go. Obviously, it's not orange at all.
Yeah.
There you go. Mine came back an absolute boy result. There's no doubt about that one. And I went ahead and set it up on my white washing machine with the white toilet paper in the back because they said that setting it up with like a white contrast will be easier to see. So there you guys have it. It was simple to do.